Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vivian. In today's video we'll be learning how to make this beautiful waistcoat. The material I used here is a liquid mikado. For the waistcoat I used the plain one, while for the wide leg pants is called flowered liquid mikado. So if this is the kind of video you've been interested in learning, please help me like this video, drop a comment, and also share the video guys, and help me to subscribe to my channel. When you might have done that, let's get started. So first I'll cut the front side. I have my zipper allowance here, and I have this line to serve as my shoulder line. And the first measurement I'll be taking is from this line to my chest point. I'm just going to mark it there and then draw a line across. So the next measurement is from this shoulder line to my waist point, and when I do that I'll also mark a line across. The next measurement I'll be taking is the neck measurement. For my neck width I use 3 inches, and for neck depth I also use 3 inches. That is 3 by 3. Then I'll connect the lines together. Then I'll mark my shoulder measurement, divide by 2. Mine is 15 inches by 2 will give me 7.5. When I do that, I want to confirm whether it is the same. So from that point I'll come down by 1 inch. If you're on a bigger side, please mark 1.5 inches. So after that I'll connect it to the neck with, then I'll draw the line down, or before then, from here I'll mark my armhole measurement here, and I'll draw the line across, and this will serve as my chest line. Okay, so here I'll mark the same thing I marked on my shoulder, and then I'll draw the line across. So here I'll place my tape like this to know the middle of this line, and when I fold it and determine the middle, from this middle point I'll be coming in by 1 inch. You can come in by ½ inch if you want. So from this chest line I'm going to mark my bust measurement, divide by 4, add my ease and sewing allowance. Then from here I will come down by 1 inch as well. Then I will connect the 3 points together. So you can see here I have my chest line, my bust point, and my waist line. So on this waistline I'm just going to come down by at least 7 inches. You can come down by 8 inches or 9, depending on how you want your waistcoat to cover the front. And when I do that, I'm going to draw a line across as well. So from this waistline I will come down by 2.5 inches, and I'll mark the seam here and draw the line across. This is where I'll be covering my waistcoat from at the front side. So after now I'll go ahead and input my measurements. So from here I'll determine what I have here on the chest line. I'll also mark the same thing on the bust point. On the waistline I'm going to mark my waist measurement, divide by 4. After that I will add ease if I want, and then my sewing allowance, and also add your dart because we've been putting our dart as well. So on this point I'll mark the same thing I marked on my waist. Then here I'm going to come outward like this by 2.5 inches, and I will connect it to the point where I marked my waist measurement. Then I'll go ahead and connect the measurements together this way. So from this chest line I'll come down by 1 inch, and I'll bring the line out like this. On this point as well I'll come up by ½ inch and also bring out the line this way. So on this space for zipper allowance I'm just going to come out by 1.5 inches, or you come out by 2 inches if you want. Then I'll just mark the line this way. So after now I'm just going to slide the line like this. So it's time to input my dart. On this waistline I'm just going to mark 4 inches here, and this point as well I'm going to mark 4 inches as well, and the same thing on the bust point. I'll mark my 4 inches, and then I'll bring down the line this way. So after when I'm done with that, on the waistline I'm just going to come out by ½ inch, and also this place ½ inch, Then on this bust point, I'll come down by 1 inch because I don't want the dart to get to the point of the bust point. After that, I'm just going to bring down the line just like this, and also take the line like this, and that's it all for the dart. So on this neckline, I'm just going to come down by 1.5 inches to create my back neckline. Sorry guys, I didn't film when I was extending the front neckline. Just from the neck width, just extend the line to that point you brought out on the zipper allowance. So after when I'm done, I'm just going to fold in these places like this, fold in the zipper allowance and also the extension on the length of the dress. Now I'm going to cut the back first, following this neckline. And when I get to this armhole, I'm just going to come out a little bit for the back side. Okay, I'm not going to add any other allowance. Then on this side, I'm going to add half an inch for folding it. So now I'm going to follow the details aside the armhole and the down part. So after cutting the back side, this is what I have. I also cut the front side. After that, you can see what I have. I've also cut the lining. So now I'm going to place this here again to cut my dart. So I'm just going to place it and open the dart this way, both the lining and the fabric. So when I'm done, I'm just going to fold it like this and then fold the dart. Okay, just take about half an inch and then sew it down. After that, you iron it. So you're going to sew both for the fabric and the lining. The same thing I'll do for the front side as well. This is for the back side as well. This is what I have when I'm done. You can see how it is looking. So first I'm going to sew down the dart. So I've gone ahead to sew the dart. After that, this is what I have, and I'll go ahead to iron it as well. I've sewed both for the front and the back. Now it's time for me to join the linings together. So I'm going to place it this way, right side facing right side. So now I'll go back to sewing machine. I'll be sewing the two armhole, the neck, and here I won't be sewing the side and the shoulder. So the same thing I'll do for the front pieces. I'm going to place it this way and place the lining that matches it like this. When I arrange it, I'm going to be closing the armhole, here the neck and the down part. I will leave the two sides open and the shoulder. So when I'm done sewing it, this is what I have. I'm going to turn it over to the right side and then I'll go ahead and iron it. I'll do the same thing for the front pieces. Go ahead and flip it over to the right side, making sure you bring out the edges very well. So after that, I'm just going to now place them and join them together. So you have to pay attention here. So place the front pieces this way. You can see the way I'm doing it. The right sides are facing up and the other side here. So I'm going to flip in my hand like this and bring out the shoulder this way. You can see what I'm doing. Do not flip it, just bring out the shoulder this way. This is to make the sewing very neat. So after when you are done arranging it very well, go ahead and make a stitch using about half an inch. So I'll demonstrate the same thing this way. Just put your hand in like this and bring out the shoulder this way. Take it up, do not flip it, just take it up and then arrange it very well. When you're done arranging it, sew it this way. So when I'm done sewing it, you can see what I have here. I've also gone ahead to fix my zipper. You can see how neat everything is looking, both the dart and everything. So the only open side is now the side. Okay, so now I'm going to input my measurement first before sewing. So yeah, I'm going to mark my bust measurement, divide by 2 because this is not on fold. So after that, I'm going to also measure my waist here, divide by 2. I'm just going to bring down the line and then before stitching the side. So pay attention how I want to sew here to make it look professional. So from this line that I marked, I'm going to come out by at least half an inch. I'm not going to be sewing there. Come out like this and sew from this line. You are sewing on the right side first. Just pay attention. After I'm done sewing on the right side, I've gone ahead to trim out the excesses. This is still on the right side. So after that, I'm going to flip it from the inside and then fold it like this and then sew from the inside. This will make it look professional and be like already made. So after sewing, this is what I have. You can see the front, you can also see the back as well. So guys, we're already coming to the end of this tutorial. Help me make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also share it so you to be able to recommend it. See you when I post another video. Bye.